Hi, this is Doreen with WTI. If you are actively trying to conceive or trying to avoid conception or just looking to learn more about the fertility awareness method, well, you most likely have heard of ovulation test kits. I'm here to tell you that Clearblue Ovulation Test System is one of the best ovulation test kits that I have tried. This test system is really easy to use. All the test strips are individually wrapped. You simply take one out, unwrap it, stick it into the holder, and just wait, and your results will be displayed. I really love that the display is digital, so the results are clear and not confusing. You don't have to worry about what this line means or what that line means. Another thing I love about this is that it not only detects a surge in LH, which displays as a solid smiley face on the test kit, it also detects a rise in estrogen, which displays as a flashing smiley face. This means that if you are trying to conceive, your window is now extended, and this will increase your chances of getting pregnant. So if you are into fertility awareness or trying to conceive, then you really need this Clearblue ovulation test system in your life. And that is my point of view.